Hello there. So you want to know how you can create your Ulta Beauty account from your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on whatever device you are on and search for Ulta Beauty just like I'm about to do. Once you search for Ulta Beauty, all you need to do is click on this application, download and install that onto your device and click on open. Now, once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here. On the bottom right, there is going to be this account icon that you want to click on and then click on create account. Finally, once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you want to enter your first name, your last name, your mobile number, your email address, your password, your state, your date of birth, and simply go ahead and enter your membership ID if you already have it, or if you don't, then you can simply go ahead and get a membership ID, and then it'll ask you to create a password right over here, and your verification code will be sent to your email that you'll have to enter back, and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll